Good morning, everyone. Today's the 9th of March 2018. Welcome to JFD Brokers Traders Espresso with me, Darius Anachauskas, where we're gonna have a look at the markets, just what levels to watch out for. Today's the last day of this week for trading, so I hope you have a good one today. So before we continue, please have a read through our risk disclaimer. Now, JFD Brokers offers exclusively consultancy-free services. The content of this webinar does not constitute investment advice or investment recommendation and does not in any way constitute an invitation to acquire any financial instrument or product. I'll just give you a few seconds to read the rest, and we can continue. So also, before we jump into the charts, just a quick reminder of our JFD research page here that you can find on jfdbrokers.com. So you can go in here and have a look at different analysis that we do, different trading shoutouts in different languages as well. So yeah, I hope you find something useful here, guys. Okay, let's have a look at the charts here right now. So the first one I wanted to have a look at is the Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar this is a daily chart, by the way. It's currently balancing it around this important support area for this pair at 0.77900. So it's just slightly, the price is currently slightly above the 200 EMA here on the daily, which is this 200 EMA shown here as a black line. So we're currently slightly above this. Now, yesterday we saw a lot of weakness in the markets, especially in the Aussie pair and the Euro pair. We'll get to the Euro later on, but still, yeah, we can see that this pair was selling off yesterday. It met its resistance at this upper side of the falling wedge formation and reverse here. Now, at the moment, if we're going to start seeing breaks below the 200 EMA here on the daily chart, then potentially this could go towards its recent good area of support as well, at around 0.77600. If that doesn't hold, well, it's opening the path towards lower levels here, especially maybe towards this bottom side of the falling wedge. On the upside, if we get a break above this area here, above this upper side of the wedge, then yep, we could, like I said, we could see some higher levels. Let's just put a 4-hour chart here. There we go. So if we get a move back up here towards this area, keep a careful eye on it, because like I said, it could break it and it could push higher. On the upside here, we're still aiming for the 0.78950 area, approximately that. So yeah, just keep an eye on this one, guys. Let's have a look at the Euro. Euro had a bad day yesterday. This is a 4-hour chart. Let's put it daily. So yeah, we can see this strong daily candle closing in the red in this scenario, in the black here, but yeah, it's not looking good, to be honest. I mean, it is forming this triangle at the moment. It seems like that. The next level of support could be this 50 EMA here on the daily chart. That would be around the 122,700 area. So if we start moving below yesterday's lows, which were around the 129,930, around that. So if we'll see a move below this, then like I said, yeah, it could open the path towards this area here, towards this 50 EMA here on the daily. And if that doesn't hold, well, we've got a strong level of support here at 122. So a good level, of course, to watch out for as well. On the upside, if we start seeing a move back above the 123,500, if we get, as this acted as a good resistance level in the past, if we'll get a good move above this, then well, this could open the path towards this little downwards moving trend line that we're seeing from 16th of February. So yeah, the good level to watch out here is the 123,500, guys. If maybe we could get something like a move towards it, but then actually we wouldn't get a break, and then we could move lower. But this is just pure speculation, so at the moment just keep an eye on this one, guys, because it's not really looking quite healthy, let's say like that. Let's have a look at the pound. Well, the pound got back below this symmetrical triangle formation, so it's now heading towards this area of support here at 137,600. Keep an eye on this one, guys. I mean, we probably could see some continuation to the downside. The same story as with the euro, because we are seeing this yesterday's candle being quite strong in terms of quite bearish, let's say like that. So we might get a continuation today towards the downside. On the upside, we need a move back towards this area here on 138,500. If we get something like this, then keep an eye on it, because a break above it could push the price again higher. So yeah, it could be choppy a little bit here, but for now it's looking bearish, to be honest. Let's have a look at the euro pound. Now the euro pound, okay, it's still hanging around its key support level at 0.89100. We're still keeping this one on our radars, because at the moment someone could say probably that this is a daily chart, by the way. Someone could say that maybe this is actually flagging out right now. So or like this, and then something like that. Well, kind of flag pennant. So yeah, if we do get something like this, if this proves to be a flag, we might see some continuation to the upside here, that we still have marked here as in this blue rectangle. And that area is around the 0.90 level. So this could be a good psychological level for this pair. So the 0.90, but for that one, for this area, for us to consider this area, we would need a break above this level of around 0.89600. At the moment it's stuck here. We might get some sideways action probably for today, and maybe we'll get a better decisive move next week. But well, let's not get ahead of ourselves, of course, and let's just keep an eye on this one. If we suddenly start seeing a move below this 0.89100, then well, keep an eye on this area, because if it'll decide to get back into this channel, then yeah, the upside is off the table. Let's quickly have a look at the USD CAD. Now USD CAD, this is a 4-hour chart, by the way, so this is a daily. Let's have a look at the 4-hour. Yeah, we can see clearly that it's within this channel still. It is ranging at the moment between the 128,650 and the psychological 130 mark. Now it's closer, of course, to its lower side here, lower side of the range, and also that lower side comes in line with the 50 EMA here on the 4-hour chart. If we get suddenly a break below this, then well, the next stop could be the 128,100 area, and if that doesn't hold, well, we've got this strong upwards moving trend line here, this bottom side of the channel. So we could come down and test this area and maybe slightly lower here, but again, for that we would need to get a break below this 128,650 area first. On the upside, we've got the 129,150 still on our radars. That was a good level that it was getting broken, and then getting gone up above it, then below it, then above it again. So this area is an interesting one to watch, the 129, 150. So for today, for example, if you see a move above this, then could probably indicate that this wants to get higher a little bit. Of course, the day might close lower, maybe again, but just for in terms of like if you're a scalper, or if you're a very short-term trader, could see a potential here. If we suddenly get a move, even a stronger move, even above the 129,600, well, the 130 is back on the table. We should be keeping a close eye on this one. But like I said, only if we get a move above the 129,600. Good 130 could be a good level to test as well. And if that doesn't hold, well, we've got the other level here at 130,500. But of course, like I said, let's not rush it, and let's see where it goes for now. Let's have a look at the one exotic one that I really wanted to have a look at is the the Euro Swedish crown. Now we can see that we had this, it was running in this channel, and now it's broken out of this channel with this weakness that we saw yesterday in the euro. So it pushed it lower. Now the next level to watch here could be the 10.14, around that. And this 50 EMA here on the 4-hour chart. So good one. I believe that it's a good, interesting pair right now. We can see that, yeah, the weakness is starting to come into this pair, especially looking at the yesterday's candle, daily candle. So just, yeah, keep an eye on this one, guys. Just something for you to know, let's say like that. And quickly, let's have a look at one index and DAX. That's the DAX. Okay, so DAX, this is a daily chart, and we can see that it moved from its psychological 12,000 level. It moved higher towards the 12,350 area, and now it found its little resistance here at the 21 EMA. If we see some continuation today to the upside, it's opening the path towards the 12,600 that we've got highlighted here. In this case, in this scenario, we would see like a full U-turn here. Somebody could say maybe a V turn, but yeah, we would get back towards the last week's high here at around 12,600. So keep an eye on this one. If we, on the downside, of course, like I said, if we'll see a move below, let me just highlight this area. This is a good one to watch out for. If we see this move here back towards the 12,170, if we get a break below this, this could get pushed back towards the 12,000. Let me just as well highlight this for you guys. There we go. This is the area that we're looking at. Like I said, yeah, at the moment, even though at the moment, yeah, judging by yesterday's candle, it's a bullish candle. We can see that there's strength in here, and could potentially see some strength today as well. But well, we were saying the same thing here about this candle, and look what happened the next day. So it reversed. So yeah, like I said, we could get anything here, but at the moment we're quite neutral on this, just because it's balancing around this area here. So yeah, guys, I mean, watch out for this one. Probably it's too early to say what it's gonna do. Watch out for this 12,170 area as well. If we get a break below this, this could get pushed towards the 12,000. On the upside, of course, if we'll start seeing a move back towards yesterday's high here at 12,380, then a move above this could push the price back towards, like I said, yes, last week's high. Okay, guys, I hope you have a good European session. I'm not going to take any more of your time. Thank you very much for watching, and keep an eye on the price action. See you later, guys. Bye bye.